Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. I, Sunita Bisht, welcome you all to online class of science for class 3rd. So today our topic is cleanliness, health and hygiene. First of all, let's do an exercise, warm up exercise. In the screen, you are having two pictures. So students, you have to put a tick against the picture. How would you like to look? Obviously, you would like to look as the girl in picture number 1. Why? Because the girl in picture number 1 is wearing neat and clean clothes, whereas the girl in picture number 2 is having dirty clothes. So nobody likes to look dirty. That's why we will put a tick in picture number 1 and cross in picture number 2. So students, from this warm-up exercise, you all might have known that clean body is a healthy body. We need to follow good habits to keep ourselves clean. So how can we keep ourselves clean? So first of all, for keeping ourselves clean, we must brush our teeth twice a day, once in the morning and then at night. How will it work? Brushing teeth twice a day will help you to avoid tooth decay. The second thing we can do is we should wash our hair at least twice a week. We must also wash our brushes and combs to keep them away from dirt and germs. We should take bath daily. We should use soap and water to wash away dirt and sweat. In summers, we are having so much dirt and sweat in our body. So every day we should take a bath. Next we can do is for eyes, we should keep our eyes clean by washing them with water. Every day as you get up, you just go to washroom and wash your eyes with clean water. Ear is an important part of our body as well. So whenever you want to clean your ears, you should clean them with the help of a clean towel or earbud. Never use any sharp object to clean your ear. Next is you should blow your nose gently using a hanky. Never pick your nose. If you will pick your nose may get hurt and start bleeding. So always use a hanky or handkerchief. Once in a week, you should trim your nails. When you do not trim your nails, bacteria and germs will start growing on your toenails and this can cause infection. Always wear clean and well ironed clothes. They will make you look smart. Never wear tight fitted clothes as they can cause germs to grow. Remember, ironing eliminates wrinkles and shrinkage. It also leaves clothes looking fresher. It improves the quality and ensure a long life. If you are wearing well ironed clothes, you will feel better and your self confidence will boost up. Now, this is an exercise you have to do by yourself. Let's start. Try it yourself. In the screen, you are having 4 pictures. Now what you have to do is you have to write below each picture which body part is cleaned using these. So whenever we are having a toothpaste or toothbrush, that means our teeth are cleaned from these two things. Second, if we have used a comb, that means our hair are combed properly and dirt is removed from them. Third picture is of nail cutter. So with the help of nail cutter, we will trim our nails. And last one is shampoo. So with the help of shampoo, we will wash our head and remove the dirt and sweat. So students, apart from keeping ourselves clean, our body requires food, rest and exercise to remain fit. So it is advisable to eat a balanced diet, means to have equal amount of carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, vitamins. These nutrients will make your body fit. And one more thing students, avoid eating junk food. It is very harmful for your health. You can have junk food once in a week or twice in a month. So students, as you know that it is important to exercise regularly to keep your body fit. So you can choose any exercise which you like. It can be skipping, it can be push-ups, yoga, cycling, swimming, anything. You can choose any one of them and you can go ahead regularly. And apart from exercise, our body need rest because our body is working throughout the day. So we need rest, and for that, what should we do? We must sleep for 8 hours at night to recover from a tired body. You might have understood the portion which we have covered in this video. Rest of the part of the chapter we will cover in our next video. So for homework, you have to read the chapter thoroughly at home. That's all for now. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.